All right, spine hubs it is. You guys came through once again, and we hit the stretch goal for added physical three-dimensional spine hubs on the book. That'll be really cool. We've had those ever since the first Headstamp book, Chassepot de Famas. I like them. It'll be nice to have them on this one as well. So thank you guys very much for that. And of course, that leads us to the next stretch goal that we have available, which is another book one. And this is sort of a book nerds type of stretch goal. This is custom headbands, and it refers to the cloth stitching at the very top and bottom of the book binding. Right up in here, for example. And normally you just have generic stitching up there, but if we hit this stretch goal, we will go ahead and make that a specifically blue and white finish custom headband design. So if you guys want that, check out the Kickstarter campaign. If you want the best book about Finnish small arms, written in English, covering everything from pistols to light machine guns and everything in between, definitely check it out. And let's see where we can take this. Thanks.